Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. So let's get started. On the left side of the screen, locate your Teamspaces. Click on the three dots next to your Teamspace name. You'll notice that options like duplicate space, leave space, and archive Teamspace are not clickable. Go to the Teamspace settings. In the settings, navigate to General. In the General settings, you'll find options to leave the Teamspace and archive Teamspace. However, if these options are not clickable, it means there are still members in your Teamspace. Go to the top left of your screen and click on Settings. Then, select Members. In the Members section, you will see a list of all members in your Teamspace. Remove each member by selecting Remove from Workspace. After removing all members, go back to the Teamspace settings. And now, you should be able to click on Archive Teamspace. To delete the Teamspace permanently, click on Archive Teamspace and confirm by typing your name for safety. You'll be prompted to decide whether you want to move all the pages to your private section. Choose according to your preference. After completing the process, you will no longer be in the Teamspace. You've now successfully deleted your Teamspace in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.